Spring has finally sprung, and many of us are thinking about gardening, planting, and how to beautify our neighborhoods. Through most of the 20th century, a network of more than 24 garden clubs coordinated and promoted gardening, floral design, and city beautification in High Point. Starting in the 1920s, High Point women came together to learn about gardening and to sponsor projects throughout the city. Some clubs focused on flower propagation and floral arrangements, others on beautifying public spaces, and still others on academic study and discussion of nature and landscapes. Garden Club projects included the creation of an outdoor reading room at the South Main Street Public Library, cleaning at Oakwood Cemetery, and planting trees along neighborhood streets. These activities were funded through flower shows and garden tours. Most garden clubs and their events were exclusively open to High Point's white residents, as their membership peaked during the height of the Jim Crow era. However, High Point's African American community created their own network of garden clubs. We know of at least 6 clubs for Black women, including the Happy Variety Garden Club, the Flower Lovers Garden Club, and the Parkside Garden Club. Garden clubs, like many women's service organizations, saw their membership decline after the 1960s. Today their legacy continues through organizations like Keep High Point Beautiful and Growing High Point. Thank you for joining us in Collection Storage today. We look forward to having you again when we'll talk about some more fascinating artifacts.